Have you ever wanted to have someone walk around with you and support you like a coach in your pocket? Someone that you could just say, hey, I'm at the store. I don't really know what to get. I know I'm supposed to increase my fiber. I know I'm supposed to increase my protein. I just don't know how to do it. And you need someone there with you making the decisions. You know, you've been to therapy, you've been to the thing, you've been to the thing, you've been to all of these things. But when you actually have to do it, when you actually have to face the music, you're really stuck. So what my practice, and this is a little bit of self-promo, what my practice is now doing is we're trialing out a artificial intelligent coach, meaning you invest at a nominal fee, someone that gets to know you over time. It's an AI communication, and they actually get to know your goals. They connect to wearables, whether it be an Oura Ring or Apple Health or whatever you're using to kind of track biomarkers. And then they help you with decisions and motivation over time. And so what I'm doing is we're trialing this out. Eventually, if you want to invest and invest for a quarter of the year, 3 to 4 months, or for 12 months, it's a nominal investment. And you start to get to understand how to talk about your thoughts, how to talk about what you're feeling in regards to your health and wellness in a really non-judgmental space, because it's not a human, it's an AI. Now, the cons of that is it's not a human. And so you're not going to get that human connection, but you are going to get someone that can respond to you, that has my terminology, my language. We've designed the AI after my coaching practice. And you just have someone to help you along the way. Again, it's not a human that you can sit with at lunch. It's like ChatGPT, or it's like Siri, it's like Alexa. It's like this kind of robot that can help you with decisions about your health. And it is based upon science. But if you're needing medical advice, like medical nutrition therapy, or anything for disordered eating, like medical nutrition therapy, it will not do that. But it will help you with decisions based upon sound principles that I provide in my practice in real time. If you're interested, comment or reach out to me or send me an email. My contact is pretty easy to find through this. And consider, what would it be like to have help 24/7 on my phone for my health? And if you're interested, reach out. Okay, bye.